How to compare two dates. How would I compare two dates to see which is later, using Python? For example, I want to check if the current date is past the last date in this list I am creating, of holiday dates, so that it will send an email automatically, telling the admin to update the holiday.txt file.
Use the datetime method and the operator is lower than in its kin.
Use time. Let's say you have the initial dates as strings like these. You can do the following. To convert them to Python's date format. Then the comparison is obvious. New date 1 is greater than new date 2 will return false. New date 1 is lower than new date 2 will return true.
Other answers using datetime and comparisons also work for time only, without a date. For example, to check if right now it is more or less than 8 a.m., we can use and later compare with, which will return true.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.